What up, guys? This is Pastor Canayo again. We're coming up with another video in JavaScript. So today we're going to be talking about the difference between asynchronous JavaScript and also synchronous JavaScript. Okay, so we got some definitions that we have to talk about. So far all the code that we have been doing in JavaScript, we have been doing is synchronous JavaScript. So which means that the JavaScript engine executes our program sequentially, one line at a time from top to bottom, right? So that's what we have it doing, for example. And right here, if we go and we do, for example, console dialog, and we say I am first, right? And then let's just copy this and let's just do it two more times, and then I am second. So what we're doing right here, I am third. So right here, let's save it. Right here, we're going to be, this is synchronous JavaScript, which is going to be execute the first line of code. It's going to go to the second line of code and the third line of code, right? If we go check in the browser, let's refresh it, go inspect, and then we go to console. That's what we have, right? I am first, I am second, I am third. This is what synchronous is. It's going line by line, right? Now, if we want to use a synchronous JavaScript, which it will know, you can just do different tasks at a time, but it will execute the program. So this is what we have to do. Let's go back to text editor, and right here. So how do we do that? So in order to do that, we can use set timeout to use asynchronous. What is asynchronous JavaScript will do is the following. Um, it says an asynchronous operation doesn't block the next task from commencing or from started, even if the current test isn't complete yet. Okay, let's talk about that. Let's do an example. Synchronous code. So for example, we have I am second, right? So what we can do is the following. Right here, we can create a function. We just do set timeout. Set timeout. And right here, inside, we're going to create a function, anonymous function right here. And then we just do that. And inside here, we're going to paste this. Copy that. Right here, I am second, right? And let's get rid of that. But right here, we can use 3 seconds, 3000. So what's going to happen over here is this. So it will start the first line of code, right? But right here it says it will wait 3 seconds. It will not wait for that 3 seconds. It will go right to the third, and maybe let's just do a fourth. I don't know if that makes sense, but I am the fourth. I am fourth, right? And then right here, this is will code second will come. Okay, right here. So let's save it. And this is asynchronous JavaScript. So let's save it and see. Look, I am first, I am third and fourth. Yeah, see, last one it came a second. One more time. I am first, third, fourth, and boom, last one, because it's waiting 3 seconds, right? So in asynchronous JavaScript, yeah, you can run the code and it can execute different tasks at a time, like we did right here. But with synchronous, it has to go line by line. You gotta wait to execute the first, the second, the third line, and then we'll go. But with this one now, with asynchronous, you cannot. So and that's the difference. Okay, it's pretty simple. I'm thinking we'll come up with applications that we can just use as synchronous JavaScript. But this was just a pretty short one, just to have kind of like a basic understanding of asynchronous JavaScript. Okay, all right, guys. Have a good, wonderful night, and I will see you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're growing slowly but steady. Thanks. Bye.